A landing page has exactly one job: get the person who lands on it to take action, to buy, to sign up, to book the call. And most landing pages fail at that because they're either ugly, confusing, or they took so long to build that the person just gave up before finishing. So today I'm going to show you how to create a high converting landing page using AI in just a few minutes without touching a single line of code. And when I say high converting, I mean a page that's actually built around getting results, not just looking pretty. The tool we're using is Runable, and honestly, it's one of the best AI landing page generators out there because it doesn't just throw a template at you, it builds a real custom page around your specific offer. There's a link in the description if you want to follow along and create your account. So let's jump in. First, head to runnable.com and sign in. On the home dashboard, you'll see the artifact picker. Go ahead and select website because a landing page is really just a focused single page website built to convert. Now, here's where the magic happens and where most people go wrong. You have to describe your page with conversion in mind. Don't just say, make me a landing page. Instead, think about the pieces that actually make people take action and ask for them by name. So you'd say something like, build me a high converting landing page for my online fitness coaching program. Start with a bold hero section with a strong headline and a clear call to action button. Then add a section on the benefits, a section with client testimonials and results, a pricing section, a frequently asked questions area, and a final call to action at the bottom. Use a clean, modern design with a color that pops on the buttons. See what we did there? We gave it a real conversion structure. A strong hook up top, proof in the middle, and clear calls to action guiding people toward one single decision. That's the anatomy of a page that actually converts, and Runable builds all of it for you. And here's a smart move. Before you send, for something important like a sales page, turn on plan mode first. Instead of rushing, the agent stops, asks you a few sharp questions about your offer and your audience, and writes out a plan before it builds. That way, the whole page is aimed at the right person from the start. Once you send it, the agent might ask you a couple quick questions, then you watch your page come to life in the live preview on the side, section by section, and this is the part I love. If anything's off, you just talk to it. You can say, make the headline punchier, or move the testimonials higher up so people see the proof sooner, or make the call to action button bigger and change it to orange. Little tweaks like moving your social proof up or sharpening your headline are exactly the things that lift your conversion rate, and you can test them in seconds. And behind the scenes, Runable is quietly wiring up the serious stuff too. Your sign-up forms and email capture actually work, backed by a real database. You can connect payments if you're selling something directly. And you get built-in analytics, which matters a lot here because to improve landing page's conversion rate, you need to actually see how many people are visiting and taking action. When you're happy, click Publish up in the header, pick a clean web address, choose Public, and hit Publish. In a couple of minutes, your landing page is live on the internet with a real link you can start sending traffic to. And anytime you want to test a new headline or a different layout, you just edit through the chat and republish. So that's the whole thing. You pick website, you describe a page built around a clear structure and a single call to action, you refine the persuasive bits through conversation, and you publish a high converting landing page live in minutes. And that's it. That's how you create a high converting landing page with AI using Runable. If this was helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials just like this one, and I'll see you in the next video.